everyone, this is Marianne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a Filipino spaghetti. For all of those that who have not tasted Filipino spaghetti, it is actually a taste where Filipino and Hawaiian meets. It's sweet, tangy, and also we put hot dog or spam in our spaghetti. I have two different kind of sauce right now that I got in my pantry. This is a traditional American sauce, Italian sauce, and I'm going to combine this, and I'm going to make a Filipino spaghetti out of this two sauce. So we'll prep, and I'll see you later. Okay, so I am warming the pan for the sauce. Okay, I'm sauteing the onion in medium-high heat. So I'm cooking the noodles right now, and we are continuing cooking the meat. In a minute or two, I'm going to add the sauce, and I should not forget that I still have garlic bread that goes with the spaghetti. And I'm going to show you that also. I have here my dough. It's rising. It's about at least 2.5 hours already, which is fine. Okay, so the meat, I think, is ready. So I'm going to add all the sauce that I have. I have at least close to 4 pounds of pasta sauce. So my pasta is done. I'm gonna turn off the stove. And carefully transfer it to the sink. Okay, so our pasta is finished, and I am now focusing on my sauce. The very popular Filipino spaghetti. All right. So I'm going to simmer this for about 2 minutes. Let all the flavor incorporate, and our Filipino spaghetti should be finished, and I'll be able to plate in a minute or two. Okay, I am going to plate. I have my noodle and I have my sauce in there. One more. All right. Now we're gonna put the sauce. Okay, you guys, I just finished the Filipino spaghetti. There we go. This looks yummy, and it is yummy. Okay, so this is the Filipino spaghetti with the breadstick, all made at home. And the breadstick, this goes at least for the week. And and the salt and the spaghetti. So that's what we did today. And this is ready to go to the table. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching and joining me today in my channel. As you can see, we're ready to eat dinner, and I'm gonna get Gabe. There we go, Gabe. If you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on all of my updated videos. And if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. Thank you so much po, and I will see you in my next video. Maraming salamat!
Right here, we're at one of our solar installs. You can see our guys finish.
Yeah, eat first, eat and drink.
I'm Josh Williams. I'm the president and CEO of Summit Solar.
Let's eat.
I'll talk to you today about how you can stop losing money through increasing electric bills and take control of your power. Coming up, the Major League had a plan before it gets